Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to teach in this video tutorial how to add numbers in Excel, how to sum two columns or two row in Excel. So if you're new on this channel and if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys and comments below. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my Excel sheet. So here you can see the I have demo, I had demo number. So I'm going to show you how to calculate two columns, how to total two columns, or how to add two columns, or how to add two cell number to numbers in Excel. Okay, so guys, for total the columns number, you need to we need to use the formula. Okay, so for here this column I'm going to show you how to add to this number. This is simple way, this is basic formula. So click equal to it is like indicate to Excel that I'm going to use the formula now. So after enter the equal, press the your right click right arrow on your keyboard and come to 70 b4. Okay, now you have to press plus, and now again you have to come to c4. Okay, so you can see b4 is a 70 and c4 is a 30. So now you can enter. You can see 70 30 is 100. Okay, now if you want to apply all this formula to all now if you want to apply these functions or formula to rest of data or rows, so simply you have to click on this, clicked shift and click down arrow, and now you can click control D. So you can see the formula has been copied to rest column. Okay, so I am going to, okay, so you can simply drag. I can undo, I will show you. You have to click on first column and simply have to click and drag it. Drag by clicking left button of your mouse and hold it and drag it. The formula will be copy. Okay, so now I'm going to how to sum columns, how to total the columns. So this is my column. So simply same formula, press equal, click sum. You can sum, you can this use. Okay, and now you have to go to the top one, and now click on shift, hold the shift button and click down button and select all data of columns, and after select all data of columns, close the bracket. So you can see the total is 430, and you can copy the same formula by clicking left button of mouse and hold it and swept right side of you. Okay, you can see the formula has been copied here and here also. This is total of this total of these. Okay, so that is how you can add numbers in Excel, or how you can sum two columns, how can total two columns. Okay, so that is how you can add the numbers, two numbers in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for